Ever wondered how some YouTube channels just explode? It's not just luck, it's a strategy. You see that view counterclimbing, that creator's jaw dropping in disbelief? That could be you. The secret isn't just about making videos, it's about making the right videos. It's about tapping into the pulse of the platform and making content that people are actively searching for, content that they can't help but click on. The core of explosive growth lies in a two-part formula: niche and trend. First, you need to define your niche, your specific corner of the internet. Then you hijack the trends. Imagine capitalizing on the next big thing, like the Zero-G dance challenge of 2025. By blending your unique niche with what's currently trending, you create a powerful combination. The ultimate goal is to craft videos with high rewatch value, content so engaging that viewers watch it over and over, signaling to YouTube that you've got something special. But great content is only half the battle. You have to speak the algorithm's language. This means mastering your keywords and tags, ensuring YouTube knows exactly who to show your video to. And it all starts with the first impression, your thumbnail. A compelling, high-contrast thumbnail is your digital billboard, your invitation to the viewer. It's the single most important element in getting that initial click. Ready to put these strategies into action and start your journey to YouTube stardom? If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more growth secrets. Your channel's future starts now.